Hi guys, in this video we discuss how we create barcode for item code or serial number of an item. For example, some item listed here, we create barcode for them. So first of all, we shift our data here is equal to protect it, quotation, bracket started, again quotation, and value, cell location, again and value, quotation completed, bracket completed, and again quotation completed. Now data are shifted here to convert into barcode. Drop down for all. Now go for barcode. There is a barcode ID automation HC39M free version. You can download it from Google. Its link in description. Now apply on it, then it's changed into barcode. Now you can change anything in it, edit it, then barcode also change according to it. Similarly, there is a QR scan. If you want to create QR for some website, for example YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, then you can go here, insert my apps. I already used QR office here. You can go for store. Now there, type QR code and then enter. Now QR office is available here. You can add it, then it will be available there. So you go on my apps, use it. Here you type website www.youtube.com. Now it's showing here, insert, then it is here. You can change it for WhatsApp, Facebook, anything, and also change its color. Now it's changed in different color and background also. Thanks all for the video.